Hey guys, don't forget subscribe and hit the bell. 9 ways practicing yoga benefits your health and well-being. Yoga can boost your mental and physical fitness by improving sleep, busting stress, strengthening your heart, and more. For thousands of years, yogis have been touting yoga's mental and physical powers. Luckily, you don't have to be an expert to reap the benefits. Adding just a few poses to your daily routine can help your health in all kinds of unexpected ways. And there's also a growing body of science showing that a regular yoga practice may benefit people with a host of chronic health conditions, including asthma, heart disease, and MS. That literature is not as established as the practice of yoga itself, but a lot of work has been done. Here's what we know. 1. Yoga boosts emotional health and relieves stress. Exercise boosts energy and mood, and yoga is no exception. Many who practice it do so for its benefits in terms of relaxation and stress management. 2. Yoga may help you get a good night's sleep. The relaxation associated with yoga can be beneficial for sleep. Gentle yoga before bed is recommended as a lifestyle change that can help people with insomnia, but it can be a great pre-bed routine for anyone. 3. Yoga may help your hangover. The morning after a night of drinking, yoga may be the last thing on your mind, but maybe it shouldn't be. 4. Yoga may help with chronic back pain. Research suggests that yoga is a more effective treatment for chronic back pain than the usual care for improving back function. 5. Yoga helps fight against heart disease. There's a growing body of evidence that yoga can benefit your heart. Several studies suggest yoga can help reduce known heart disease risk factors, like high blood pressure. 6. Gentle yoga movements can ease arthritis pain. Regular exercise can help keep joints flexible, muscles toned, and weight under control, which is what people with arthritis need to manage pain. Yoga can be a great way for people with arthritis to stay active because the gentle pace of movement can be less stressful than other types of workouts, according to the Arthritis Foundation. 7. Yoga may help ease asthma symptoms. Yoga has certainly not been proved as a cure for asthma, but there is some evidence it might help with symptoms. 8. Yoga can help people with multiple sclerosis manage symptoms. The loss of muscle function, coordination, and other issues that come with multiple sclerosis can be frustrating, but some research indicates that yoga might help with MS by improving both physical function and mood. 9. Yoga may help reduce PTSD symptom. Because yoga promotes well-being and helps with stress, many people turn to it after facing trauma or while dealing with difficult events to promote mental wellness. More and better designed clinical trials are needed to better establish yoga as a tool to help with symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD), but the evidence that does exist suggests yoga can help.